Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to my tutorial. I've worked in TV and video production for almost 10 years now, mainly in factual content, so news, documentary, commercials and corporate. You can study camera work and lighting full-time for years and still have loads to learn. I'm learning every production I work on. In this tutorial, we'll just go through a few of the basics that can help get you started on creating better content. These tips are by no means fixed rules, but they should get you thinking and be a good starting point. First of all, you have orientation or aspect ratio to think about. This is the way your frame is positioned, and in your case, which way you hold your phone or your camera. Choosing your aspect ratio needs to suit both the platform for delivery and your content. Once you decided which way your frame is going to orientate, you need to think about what's going to go in the frame. That's called composition. One of the key things to think about in composition is the focal point. That's generally where you want the audience to look and is often the most important thing in your frame. Whether that be you, your main character, an object, or maybe an item that you're promoting for your content. The character is the focal point in the shot, but also you want to see what's going on around it. This will give it context and will help with the story. Even for a tutorial like this, I've thought about what's in the background and how it's lit. So there we have it, just a few tips for when you're creating your content. Look out for part 2, as that'll be on lighting. I look forward to seeing what you're going to create. Thanks for watching.